Hello everybody, welcome back to Hard Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add cash through command in Schedule 1. So first, head over to settings and now click the game and now make sure that the console is enabled. Now enable the console and now type change cash and let's say free. As you guys can see, $3 has been added to my cash. Now what else can we do is change cash and we can set it to -3 and now we have -$3. We can also change balance for let's say 10,000 and as you guys can see, now we got 10,000 more on our credit card. So now let me take it away. And this is how you can easily add cash in Schedule 1. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.